Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your system supports desktop widgets and updating if necessary. Once done, open the widget panel, typically by right-clicking the desktop or using the system menu, so you can see available options. Make sure to enable any required permissions such as location, notifications, or background refresh. Without those, the widget may not function fully. This prepares the environment and gets you ready for placing the first widget on your desktop, which we'll do next. You now pick a widget and select the size that fits your layout, small for concise info or large for interactive controls. Drag the widget from the panel to your chosen desktop area and use grid snapping or alignment guides to keep it tidy. Then open the widget settings to connect accounts, set refresh intervals, and choose display units like 24-hour time or metric measurements. Changing these options ensures the widget shows useful data and updates at a cadence that won't drain resources. Finish by locking the widget positions or grouping similar widgets into stacks so they stay organized. Test interactions. Click actions, resizing, and manual refresh to confirm live updates and expected behavior. If everything looks good, consider creating a backup of layout settings or using a layout manager. If a widget fails to load, first restart the widget or app, then confirm permissions and network access. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues and gets you back to a functional desktop quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.